We mentioned that we'd like you to start thinking about design even at this very early stages of learning computer-aided design. And we mentioned earlier that a lot of designers will try and reflect some aspect of a building into the site that they're working on. And in the previous example, we suggested that there was windows some 1800 millimetres by 900 millimetres high, which we might reflect out into the space. And here's the courtyard that we've been working on previously. If you right-click and go to Drafting Aids and have a look at the Grid tab, you can set the grid up with different X and Y values. So I've set a 600mm by 300mm grid with a bowl step of 2. You'll see the point of that in a moment. I can actually change the colour of the bowl step. I might want that, say, an orange colour to stand out. And you'll see what happens. We go OK, and then we turn the grid on, and the bowl step is the orange colour, and the intermediate steps are shown in white. So what we have here now, we have snap on and the grid on. We can design on that grid. So if I wanted to put down an area of paving in here, I could go draw rectangle, and I don't have to worry about sizes or whatever. Everything will fit and work for a 300mm paving brick. So I might want to click here and then drag through there or across to there. I'm looking at my design and thinking, how will this work? I better come down here to line up there. I've got a little bit of trimming to do in the right hand corner, haven't I? Because now we're going to step into that rectangular area from the house. So I'm reflecting things out, and within this area of paving, everything will work with 300mm blocks. Now we could very easily put down another rectangle and say start it here and come maybe across. We'll go to that point there and then down. Whoops. I'll just try that one again. I'll edit and undo that. Draw a rectangle. We need to click there and then come down here, don't we? So we know that all of that will work with 300mm pavers. I can trim off this line very, very easily. So it's just a way of making sure that your construction team can build that very, very easily. We haven't had to use even the tracking device to begin to lay out this design.